Start by launching SimpleOne Label Maker Pro. Step 1. Choose an arch-shaped label template. This app supports hundreds of label sizes and shapes. Step 2. Click inside the label to enter text. You can customize font size, font style, color, and also add photos. You can choose to add different content to each label. For this demo, we want a full page of the same label content, so we will use Fill All to populate the entire page. Step 3. Go to Print to print your labels. The default setting does not print label borders and grid lines. If you are printing to a blank sheet and wish to print grid lines, go to Settings and turn on Print Grid Lines. For the last part of this demo, I want to quickly show you how to create a number counter using a really useful feature called automation tags. Let's add a number counter to the bottom of each label. The default settings create number counters that increases by 1. You can customize number start values and interval values. We want a start value of 1000 and an interval value of 10. This gets us sequential numbers starting from 1000, each time increasing by 10.